Hi, my name is Maisha. I'm 46 years old, and this is my story. Because music has been very instrumental, pun totally intended, in my healing journey after leaving an unhealthy relationship of 20 years, I spent several years recovering mentally, emotionally, physically, financially, and spiritually. And as things started looking up, life took yet another unexpected turn with my breast cancer diagnosis. I was diagnosed on December 19th, 2024. I received a phone call that changed my life. My doctor just came right out and said it. Bluntly stated, "I know this isn't what we hoped for, but it's cancer." And the words just hung there in the air.